Today, we're talking about precious metals for newbies. Greetings, Star Wars Stackers. How you doing? I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and get the bell notification clicked so you get updated with any new content. So today's video is about precious metals for newbies. If you're new to stacking, collecting bullion and coins, then you know very well how overwhelming it is starting out. You either have heard someone mention that it is important to be buying precious metals, or maybe you did a Google search on precious metals only to be inundated with countless articles and websites on where to buy precious metals. You probably also have been hearing different terminology, which sounds like another language as you watch many YouTube videos of stackers showing their hands. There is quite a bit of information out there, and the goal of this video series is to help you make informed decisions so that you don't repeat many mistakes I and others in the community have made. Also, who knows, maybe some experienced stackers may get an idea or two from this video series. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I have never claimed to be. I am just a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. But in this series, I will be giving advice like I do to a friend or family member. So like most people starting out with stacking of precious metals, you probably have a ton of questions like, what are my goals for stacking precious metals? How long would I buy precious metals for?
Where should I store my precious metals? Where do I buy precious metals? Which precious metals should I buy? How much should I buy? When should I buy?
Listen, don't worry, we will get through all of these questions in this video series. Many in the stacking community genuinely want to help others, so there are plenty of channels and content for you to research. So let's get to it. Some within the community look to buy precious metals once and establish their precious metals position for good. Me, I view precious metals as a long game. I plan on buying precious metals up until the point of retirement, and at which point I plan on selling off some every so often. Precious metals, they are a secure savings which you can hold, and you know they will never lose its value entirely. A savings which typically appreciates in value during times of uncertainty. Precious metals are a safe place to put your money. So where do you begin? Well, the first thing I would tell you is you're going to want to figure out your goal for stacking precious metals. Whether you are saving for retirement or if it's going to be something for a rainy day fund, you want to set up your budget. And when I started out, I didn't know why I was buying other than it was just something that I should do. And I didn't really go into buying precious metals with any sort of budget. But for you, I would recommend that you have some sort of long game plan in mind as well as a short-term game plan as well. Second, I tell people that you're going to want to consider how much you are able to buy each month without going into debt. It doesn't make sense to purchase precious metals with a lower rate of return than what a high-interest credit card would charge. So how much should I start with? You've probably asked yourself at one point. I typically tell new people to start with a range between $300 to $500, so that way you get a decent little stack going. Now, if you can't do $300 to $500, that's fine, but don't do any less than $100, as you typically will get charged for shipping if you happen to be buying online. So remember, this is a long-term savings journey, and it is rewarding to watch your physical stockpile grow. And it's also fun to collect various series and coins and get to know people within the stacking community. So let's recap. The first thing you want to do is think about your overall game plan. Ask yourself, what is it that you're looking to do with the purchasing of precious metals? The second thing you're going to want to do is think about your short-term and long-term budget. And the third thing you want to do is to begin thinking about storage solutions for your precious metals. This is the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you found this video informative, make sure you check out this video. This video is awesome. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and long live the Empire.